Let's talk meat. The centerpiece of countless meals, a symbol of celebration, comfort, and tradition across the globe. Whether it's a festive feast or a simple weeknight dinner, meat often takes center stage, bringing people together around the table. It's also a key source of protein worldwide, fueling our bodies and supporting growth, strength, and energy. From athletes to families, protein is essential, and meat is one of the most popular ways to get it. In one corner we have chicken, the global superstar. Found in nearly every kitchen, chicken is beloved for its versatility, mild flavor, and ability to take on almost any seasoning or cooking style you can imagine. It's the weeknight hero, the Sunday roast, the sandwich staple, familiar, adaptable, and always ready for your favorite recipe. From crispy fried chicken to comforting soups, it's a go-to for cooks of all skill levels. In the other corner, meat goat. Less common in some places, but actually the most widely consumed red meat on the planet. Goat is a staple in many cultures, prized for its rich flavor and lean profile. From Caribbean curries to Mediterranean feasts, goat has nourished billions for generations. Its unique taste and texture make it a favorite in dishes that are both hearty and full of history. So we have two protein powerhouses, one a household name, the other a global staple hiding in plain sight. Each brings something special to the table, shaped by culture, geography, and tradition. Which is better? We'll compare their nutrition, taste, and even their impact on the planet. From calories and vitamins to sustainability, there's more to this showdown than meets the eye. This isn't about crowning a single winner. Food is personal. What's right for one person might not be for another, and that's the beauty of choice. Instead, we'll break down the facts, bust some myths, and give you the info you need to choose what's right for you. Whether you're curious about health, flavor, or the environment, we've got you covered. Forget what you think you know. It's time to challenge old assumptions and discover new favorites. We're starting fresh with data, curiosity, and maybe a skillet or two. Get ready to explore the world of meat like never before. Grab your apron. This is the ultimate protein showdown, goat versus chicken. Let's get cooking and see which one earns a spot on your plate. First up, protein. The reason many of us reach for meat. Chicken breast is famous for its high protein, about 31 grams per 100 grams, and it's a complete protein with all essential amino acids. That's why it's a favorite for athletes and anyone looking to build muscle. Goat isn't far behind, 27 grams per 100 grams, actually beating beef and pork. So, while chicken edges out goat by a few grams, both are excellent sources of high-quality, complete protein. If you want maximum protein per bite, chicken breast wins by a hair. But goat is no slouch. It's a muscle-building powerhouse too. The real differences show up when we look beyond just protein. Both meats will help you hit your daily protein goals. So don't worry, choosing goat over chicken won't leave you lacking. Let's see what else is on the plate. Next up, fat and calories. Protein's great, and it often gets the spotlight when we talk about healthy eating, especially with meats like goat and chicken. But what about fat and calories? These are just as important to consider, especially if you're watching your weight or aiming for a heart-healthy diet. Goat meat is impressively lean, just 3 grams of fat per 100 grams, and less than 1 gram of that is saturated fat. That means you get the benefits of red meat, but with a fraction of the fat you'd find in beef or lamb. That's leaner than most cuts of chicken, even some chicken breasts. It's a surprising fact since chicken is often seen as the go-to lean meat. Chicken breast is also lean, with about 3.6 grams of fat per 100 grams, but thighs and skin-on pieces can be much higher. For example, chicken thighs can have double or even triple the fat, and skin-on pieces add even more. Calories follow suit. Goat clocks in at 143 per 100 grams, chicken breast at 165, so you're saving a few calories with goat too. And fattier cuts of chicken go even higher. Fried or breaded chicken, or dark meat with skin, can push the calorie count up fast. So, goat is consistently lean, while chicken's fat and calorie count depends on the cut. With chicken, your choice of breast, thigh, or skin-on makes a big difference. If you want red meat without the fat, goat is a smart choice. It's a great way to enjoy a hearty meal without overloading on calories or saturated fat, but both can be part of a healthy diet. Just watch the cut and the cooking method. Grilling, roasting, or baking with minimal oil keeps things light and nutritious. The numbers are close, but goat's leanness stands out, especially if you're looking for a red meat option that's lower in fat. Now let's dig into the micronutrients. Beyond fat and calories, there's a whole world of vitamins and minerals that make these meats unique. There's more to meat than just macros. Micronutrients play a huge role in overall health, supporting everything from your immune system to your energy levels. Let's talk vitamins and minerals, and see how goat and chicken stack up when it comes to the nutrients your body needs every day. Beyond protein and fat, micronutrients matter. Goat is an iron powerhouse, 3.7 milligrams per 100 grams, more than double beef and far more than chicken. This heme iron is easily absorbed, making goat a top pick for those needing more iron. Chicken has less than 1 milligram per serving, though dark meat has a bit more. Goat also brings potassium and lower sodium to the table. Chicken, meanwhile, shines with B vitamins, especially niacin and B6, and is a great source of selenium, an important antioxidant. Both meats offer valuable nutrients, but they excel in different areas. Need iron? Goat's your champion. Want B vitamins and selenium? Chicken's got you covered. It's all about what your body needs most. Both are nutritious, but your priorities will guide your choice. Now let's talk about what really matters at the table: flavor. Because taste is king. Nutrition is important, but let's be real. Flavor rules. When we sit down to eat, it's the taste, aroma, and experience that truly make a meal memorable. The right flavors can turn a simple dinner into a celebration, bringing people together and sparking conversation. Chicken is mild and neutral, making it a blank canvas for any cuisine. Its subtle taste means it can easily adapt to whatever spices or seasonings you throw at it, making it a favorite for cooks everywhere. That's why it's so popular. It soaks up spices, sauces, and marinades, fitting into everything from curries to casseroles. Whether you're craving something spicy, tangy, or creamy, chicken is always up for the challenge. Goat, on the other hand, has a richer, slightly sweet, earthy flavor, sometimes called gamey, and a firmer texture. Its unique taste stands out, making every bite a little more adventurous and exciting. It's lean, so it shines in slow-cooked dishes that tenderize the meat and deepen its flavor. Stews, braises, and curries bring out the best in goat, letting its bold character develop over time. Chicken breast is tender but can dry out. Thighs are juicier. Choosing the right cut can make all the difference, especially if you want a dish that's moist and full of flavor. Goat's firmer texture means it needs gentle, slow cooking for best results. Patience pays off, rewarding you with meat that's tender and packed with deep, satisfying flavor. If you want familiar and versatile, chicken is your go-to. It's the safe bet for picky eaters and a reliable star in countless recipes, from salads to tacos to family roasts. If you crave bold, complex flavors and don't mind a little culinary adventure, goat delivers. It's perfect for those who want to try something new and enjoy dishes with a story behind them. There's no right answer, just what you're in the mood for. Your choice might change with the season, the occasion, or even your mood that day. Both have their fans, and both can be delicious. So, what's your flavor? Are you team chicken, or ready to give goat a try? Next, let's see how tradition shapes our plates. The foods we love often have deep roots in our culture and family history. Food is more than just taste, it's culture. It's about memories, heritage, and the stories we share around the table. Food is culture, tradition, and family. Chicken is a staple in Western kitchens. Sunday roasts, fried chicken, quick weeknight meals. Its affordability and versatility make it a symbol of modern convenience. Goat, meanwhile, is central to celebrations and daily meals in the Caribbean, Mexico, the Middle East, Africa, and South Asia. It's the star of curries, stews, and festive feasts, often tied to religious and cultural traditions. Cooking methods reflect these roots. Chicken is often grilled or fried, while goat is slow-cooked to tenderness. These traditions shape how we eat and what we value in our food. For some, chicken is comfort. For others, goat is heritage. The story of these meats is written in family recipes and shared meals. What's on your plate often depends on where you call home. Now, let's look at the impact on our planet. Our food choices affect the planet. Goats are hardy browsers, thriving on tough, marginal land and eating plants other livestock ignore. They need less water and can help manage overgrown land, making them a sustainable choice in many regions. Most chicken comes from intensive farms, efficient but reliant on grain feed and prone to waste and pollution issues. Free-range chicken is more sustainable, but less common and pricier. Goat's environmental impact is often lighter, especially when raised traditionally. Chicken's footprint depends on how it's farmed. So, if sustainability matters, goat may have the edge, especially outside industrial systems. But farming practices matter more than the animal itself. The story isn't simple, but your choice can make a difference. Next, let's talk about what you'll actually find, and what it'll cost. Because availability and price matter too. Let's break it down. Cost and availability shape what ends up on your plate. Chicken is everywhere. Cheap, accessible, and available in every form, thanks to industrial farming. For many, it's the most affordable protein. Goat's story is different. In South Asia, Africa, and the Caribbean, it's common and affordable. But in North America and Europe, goat is a specialty item, harder to find and often pricier. Fewer producers and less demand mean higher prices in these regions. For some, goat is a special occasion treat. For others, it's everyday fare. Chicken wins for convenience and cost in many Western countries. But globally, goat is just as accessible, and sometimes more so. Your local market shapes your options. The best choice is often the one you can find and afford. Now let's wrap it up. So, who wins, goat or chicken? The answer is, it depends on you. Both are excellent proteins, each with unique strengths. Goat is lean, iron-rich, and sustainable. Chicken is high in protein, packed with B vitamins, and easy to find. Your needs, tastes, values, and budget will guide your choice. Prefer mild, quick, and familiar? Chicken's your friend. Want bold flavor, more iron, and a lighter environmental touch? Try goat. In many places, chicken is cheaper. In others, goat is the staple. There's no single winner, just informed choices. The real victory is knowing what's on your plate and why. Mix it up, try both, and enjoy the best of both worlds. That's good eating.